How do I motivate myself when I'm discouraged doing Sun Life business? Meron ako i-share sa inyong tatlong tips. Number one, I take breaks and focus on self-care.
I go for a walk whenever I feel discouraged. It helps me clear my mind at nakakapag-isip ako ng maganda whenever I walk. I also create TikTok content. It is my way of expressing my creativity and fan side. I want the world to see na hindi lang tayo nagbebenta ng insurance but we have so much to offer.
Number two, I surround myself with positivity.
I'm grateful that I've found my people in Sun Life business. I truly feel the love and support of my fellow managers and advisors. They are vital to our success in the business because we have a solid support system. Sharing challenges with others can help us feel less alone and offer new perspectives.
And number three, I reconnect with my biggest whys. I remind myself why I started the Sun Life business in the first place. I remember when I was still in the corporate world, I prayed to God specifically saying, Lord, bigyan mo po ako ng career na may malalim na purpose at hindi mapifeel yung pagod at pagkasawa. 4 years later, God gave me Sun Life. Whenever I feel discouraged, I always look back to the time when I specifically asked for this from God, and it reminds me that I shouldn't lose hope because I wanted and prayed for this. Also, my family. I'm doing this Sun Life business because I want to provide a comfortable life for them. Whenever I feel discouraged, I always look back at the way we lived before and how I don't want my family to experience that kind of struggle again. Lastly, clients na umaasa sa pangmatagalang partnership na ipinangako natin sa kanila, kaya tayo tinawag na partners for life. They are my biggest whys for why I do the Sun Life business. I don't want to fail my God, my family, and my clients. We have been given this wonderful opportunity to change our lives and the lives of others, so I want to be good at it.
Whenever discouragement sets in due to frustrations and rejections, ang unang reaction ko po talaga ay malungkot. Kahit na alam ko naman na talagang nangyayari ito at pinagdaraanan ng lahat. I motivate myself by maintaining a positive attitude at sabihan ng sarili ko na this too shall pass. Ang buhay naman po talaga ay series ng high and low. Minsan nasa taas ka, minsan nasa baba ka. Kailangan lamang po ay kaya nating tanggapin kung ano man ang nangyayari sa buhay natin. Keeping my faith to God, patuloy na humingi ng gabay sa Kanya at hayaan ko po siya to be in control, ay okay na po ako. Naniniwala din po ako na ang frustrations and rejections ay nangyayari for a reason para turuan po tayo to improve ourselves and to be a better version of ourselves. Isa din po sa source ng motivation ko ay ang pag-attend ng mga meetings at pagpunta sa opisina ng Sun Life para po maka-adapt ako at maging familiar sa aking trabaho. Makakuha ng inspirasyon sa aking mga kasama dahil marami po akong natututunan sa kanila. Kasama na rin po ang pagiging madasalin. Masaya po ako dahil napabilang ako sa Sun Life, especially sa Sherman and BO na napaka-positive, friendly at helpful ang lahat. Maganda po ang vibe at ambience kaya hindi ko ma-feel ang pagiging OP o ma-out of place. Ramdam ko din po yung care kaya masarap po magtrabaho dahil alam ko na hindi nila ako pababayaan at tiyak na may dadamay at sasalo sa akin anytime na kailangan ko ng tulong. Wala naman pong mahirap na trabaho sa gusto magtrabaho at wala pong madaling trabaho sa ayaw magtrabaho. Ang discouragement ay nandyan po talaga, but I choose to live life. I'm grateful for everything that comes with my work. I love my job, I love my company, I love Sun Life, my partner for life. Thank you.
Hi! A bright and blessed morning to each and everyone. I'm Abby Macalino. I'm currently working here in Sun Life for 7 years now. We'll be turning 8 this year, 2025. I'm here in the office, just submitted my first app for the month of April, hoping and praying for the fast approval for my OFW client. Just to share with you, my journey here in Sun Life have a lot of twists and turns, but I can say that one of the reasons I always win despite the challenges is I hold on to Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I always go back to our God-given purpose, and that is to help more Filipino families, to help more lives be secured for a brighter future. At the same time, I'm also being reminded that with God, all things are possible in Luke 1:37. And dahil dito, we can do our mission, not just to help other people, but at the same time, to be a blessing to our loved ones, to our dear family as well, and also to my future team. Gusto ko rin na matulungan din sila. Above all, whatever we do it for the glory of God. Because I believe in 1 Corinthians 10:31, we can be an inspiration. We can be a channel of blessing to those people around us. And by faith, with deeds, and with the support of our team, for sure, kakayanin natin ito. I am indeed grateful and blessed to be part of this Sun Life family. Happy 7th anniversary, Sherman NBO. To God be the glory. God bless everyone.
Right morning, everyone. I'm Angie Noreta Cruz from Miracle Dove Sales Team. By the way, nandito po ako para sabihin sa inyo kung ano yung 3 bagay na mahal ko or gusto ko dito sa trabahong to bilang isang Sun Life Advisor. Una yung flexibility and independence. No? First of all, I'm a full-time working mom and on OFW wife. Marami kong gustong gawin sa buhay, and I have the autonomy to set my appointment and yung schedules ko. Meron akong work-life balance because of this work na napili natin, no? And especially yung number 2, yung recognition and rewards. Marami kong natanggap na mga rewards na hindi ko na-expect na maka-attain ko bilang isang strong independent woman. Meron tayo mga pangarap sa buhay and nagkakaroon tayo ng fulfillment because of these recognitions and rewards. And makatlo is yung making positive impact doon sa mga clients, which is nagbabago yung buhay nila and nakakatulong tayo sa mga sa ating simple ways, which is yung i-ensure natin yung mga clients na to. No? And nagkakaroon din tayo ng new friends, nagkakaroon ako ng new connections, and also positive impact, which is nagmamark talaga sa buhay nila. And I'm thankful especially sa work sa Lord and sa mga kasama ko dito sa work ko na to. And nagkaroon ako ng new family because of Sun Life. Maraming salamat po, and God bless everyone.
How do you motivate yourself when you are discouraged doing your Sun Life activities? First of all, I would like to thank my unit manager, UM Lourdes Orozco, for giving me a chance to express my feelings and answer this question. I'm in Sun Life for about 1.5 years, and I'm very happy to be part of this family. I'm really happy connecting people and help them solve, listen to their problems, and share some solution that makes sense for life. Achieve lifetime protection and security, and live a healthier life. I always think the biggest why I'm here in Sun Life, and para kanino ako bumabangon. And this is all for my family. They are my strength. They are the reason why I do what I do and what I need to do for them. Always thanking God for the life and for all the blessings that He gave for us. Keep in mind that this is all God's plan, and have faith in Him. Nothing is impossible with God. And whenever you go with your heart. Lalaban pero hindi susuko. Laban lang.
Hello, my name is Angel Joy Marasigan from Precious Blue Jays Direct. And I love being a Sun Life Advisor. Why? Because I get to make a meaningful impact on my clients' lives, helping them achieve their financial goals and secure their future with confidence. Plus, I enjoy the flexibility and work-life balance that comes with this role, allowing me to prioritize my personal well-being and spend quality time with my loved ones.
I love my financial advisor business because it provides income for me and my family while helping other families. I love its deep purpose, and that is to help my clients and their family to have a healthier and brighter future. It is a noble job because we as insurance or financial advisor provide solutions. We help our clients manage their finances for them to achieve their financial goals. We help them plan their short and long-term goals, such as budgeting for education expenses, savings for retirement, and investment as well. And what I love most about this business is the flexibility in time. So I get to spend and enjoy more time with my family. And of course, the unlimited income opportunity. So we can also have a brighter future. Hindi po madali ang maging insurance or financial advisor. Subalit masarap po sa pakiramdam tuwing meron po tayong pamilyang natutulungan. Kaya tuloy-tuloy lang po at magsusuko upang mas marami pa tayong pamilyang matulungan.
Hi, I'm Hazel Ann Rempilio from Vigorous Golden Canoe, and I love my financial advisory business because it allows me to meet other people and turn complete strangers into lifelong clients who trust me with their dreams and financial goals. Because there's something special about the moment when someone who was once hesitant to start seeing me as a person for advice. It's not about selling policies, it's about building relationship with your clients, and it's about becoming a part of their journey and giving them a peace of mind, knowing that I help people feel more secure and in control about their future makes this work incredibly fulfilling.
I love my financial advisor business due to three main reasons. First, I want to encourage and help other people their financial needs to plan for their future. Second, it is one of my passion and exploring different things to enhance my knowledge and capabilities. And the last one, of course, it is to earn more money for my family financial needs for their brighter future. I motivate myself when I'm discouraged of doing my Sun Life tasks and activities by thinking positively and focusing on my goals and dreams for my family. That's all, and thank you.
Being a financial advisor exposes you to a mix of emotions. Sabi nga nila, ang trabahong ito para ka talagang nasa roller coaster. May mga days na masayang masaya, nakaka-excite, fulfilling, pero meron din naman mga days na nakakatakot, nakakakaba, and nakakapanghina. At sa mga araw na yon, sa akin, laging bumabalik-balik kung ano ba ang misyong ginagampanan ko talaga here in Sun Life. So, doon nakakakuha ako ulit ng lakas ng loob para mag-try ulit. To toughen up and bumangon ulit. Dahil sa misyong ito, lagi akong nare-remind ni Lord tuwing nagdadasal ako kung para saan ba talaga yung ginagawa ko. At doon, nare-realize ko na ang misyong ito hindi lang para sa pamilya ko, pero para sa mga kliyente siniservisyon ko. At milyong-milyong pang Pilipino nag-aantay na maservisyohan. Kaya lalong tumatatag ang loob ko. Dahil sa misyong ito, hindi ako nag-iisa. Lalong-lalo na pag nakakasama ko ang mga co-financial advisor ko. Dahil sa roller coaster ng misyong ito, sabay-sabay kaming nakakaramdam ng takot, ng kaba, ng saya. Sabay-sabay kaming nagmamarsya din patungo sa misyong pinangako namin gagampanan. Yan lamang po. Thank you!
Gusto ko yung part na nakakatulong ka sa mga pamilya na mag-prepare sa future. Ang laking bagay na may advisor na nag-guide sa mga clients in case of sickness or death. Exciting sa akin yung part na magpakita ng mga benefits ng life insurance. Fulfilling yun. Ako ay motivate myself to work kasi gusto kong mabigyan ng brighter life ang pamilya ko. Ang lahat ng ginagawa ko ay para maghanda din para sa future naming family. Ang husband ko ay OFW at alam ko kung gaano kahirap magtrabaho sa abroad. Gusto ko protektahan ang hard work niya by also working hard sa sarili ko para makiipon kami ng maayos for our senior years. Siyempre, ang matumihan din ay mas marami akong pamilyang natulungan. Gusto ko yung feeling nagkaroon ng brighter life ang mga pamilya dahil ginawa ko ang trabaho ko. Also, looking forward na sa aming senior years, kaming mag-asawa ay may brighter future dahil sa mga opportunity na binibigay ng sana.
For me, I love my financial advisory business because being a financial advisor it is a rewarding profession. Aside from enjoying a flexible work schedule na kailangan ko talaga dahil as breadwinner ng aking pamilya, kailangan ko talaga siyang ma-manage kasi may 3 akong anak at may asawa ako na kasalukuyang nagpapagaling pa. And sa Sun Life ko lang din nakita na yung infinite income potential. Kasi isa akong masipag na ina. Kahit ano na lang na pagkakakitaan pinapasok ko. Pero itong pagiging Sun Life Advisor, kakaiba to eh. Kasi napapagod ako before sa mga racket ko. Pero konti lang yung yung income ko. Pero dito, pagiging Sun Life Advisor ko, na-enjoy ko pa rin ang oras ko, nabibigyan ko pa rin ng oras yung family ko. At the same time, marami akong family na natutulungan na i-educate ko sila kung gaano kaganda yung may insurance ang ama or ina maging ang anak, na nga sila kapag nadidiscuss ko sa kanila kung gaano kaganda at kung dapat meron silang insurance. At yun, dahil na-explain ko sa kanila, thank you sa mga trainers ko, sila sa nasimula una hanggang ngayon, tinuturuan pa rin kami na mga rookies. So, hindi na po ako rookie ngayon. Thank you po sa mga nagbigay ng time, ng oras para maturuan po kami. So, kung ako po, hindi ko po talaga ipagpapalit ang pagiging Sun Life Advisor ko sa ibang company or sa ibang kitaan sapagkat masaya po ako sa ginagawa ko dahil may mga natutulungan po akong mga pamilya. Yun lang po. Thank you and happy 7th year anniversary, Sherman.